So good morning everyone. Now today is our 7th day and now we are planning to go to a temple. We are in between where we are, Mecca? Which place? Nahi, I think like that we have to go because of that. That's why it's showing a U-turn. But we'll take the like this only.
Okay.
So hi everyone. So this is the view. It's 8 a.m. in the morning and we left for a temple, and so I'll show you once I reach there. So good morning everyone. Your favorite cameraman is here, and you can see behind me there is a big fort, one of the famous fort of this place, Chittorgarh, I think so, where we are. But I'll show you where we are. Now we have to take tickets and then will go up. So hi everyone, this is the entry of this fort. It's a very good fort, and Mecca is here. Mecca, what would you would like to say about this fort? Okay, there is a boat. I'll show you. This is the entrance you can see, and this is what somewhere we are. And here you can hear parrots. Lots of parrots are here.
So we are just entering this huge cave. Raj is going to tell us.
Lots of parrots are here.
See, there are a lot of parrots here.
On that wall.
Yeah, on this wall even you can see a lot of parrots.
Houses in between these rocks.
Probably.
See the so big entrance they have made.
Yeah, that's what. Yep.
Literally very big entrance.
Correct.
Wow. So nice.
We are following Raj into the entrance of the fort.
So now finally we have entered in this fort, and temple is that side. So let's see. So hi everyone, you can see so fast this peacock is running, and I was looking that side. Oh yeah, and this is the place where you'll get to see lots of animals even. And see, this is following us from that time. Yeah, I'm very confused what actually they have made this. This is like a water plant or something.
Yeah, water.
See, so nicely they have made. Wow. But in middle, I think there will be something which will
Correct.
be
Yeah.
rotating all the things.
Correct.
So hi everyone, that was not water plant. That was something gunpowder griller. Wow. So hi everyone. You can see lots of peacock is there, and why I'm coming dark I don't know. So today Madlika is going to express or say something about one big good news. What we are expecting this year is Madlika is expecting, yeah, she's expecting, and we were planning to go to Georgia, but unfortunately because of war our ticket got cancelled, and then we thought of doing this road trip. And this road trip is amazing. We have traveled more than 2000 kilometers and 5 states. 2000 kilometers and 5 states. So overall the experience was very good, and I always thought of going to, like some good places. Like this year we thought of going Georgia, and alone I went to Thailand because I never knew the ticket will get cancelled. So unfortunately or fortunately, this is a best trip. I can say it's a road trip. It's a very long road trip. Me, Soph and Merlika, only we three are traveling, and we have traveled. Sorry? Oh, sorry. It's not three. It's 4 people are traveling with me. So Mecca want to say something about her. Let's see. I'll talk to her. So hi Merlika Lutzlovo. It's your 7th day, and we are in a fort, very good fort. What would you like to share about this experience and your something you tell about to my viewers?
So this is my 6th month,
Okay.
and we are traveling 6.5 something, and we have been traveling for a week in 5 states through car journeys with big hearts and round roads and all that, everything. But my journey was very comfortable, except a few instances of vomiting. I think I was good most of the journey. I was able to walk and travel every day more than 10,000 steps we were walking, and I think how many kilometers, 500 kilometers easily we were traveling
In a
every
day.
day.
In a day
yes,
we are
yes,
traveling.
yes. Yeah.
So what unique you started feeling in this road trip?
I think recently my baby, I can feel the kicks
Okay.
quite a bit. Even today morning, Raj felt 10 kicks back to back,
Back to back. Yeah.
back to back.
True.
Yeah,
So let's see. It's 6 months now. We'll
3
wait
months to
3 months to go. So we. What about Georgia? Say now you came to a road trip. What you are thinking? Matlab, what?
Yeah, no, Georgia was our initial plan.
Okay.
And we had fully planned to go to Georgia.
Yeah.
We had tickets, we had done car booking, hotel booking, everything was ready.
Okay.
But unfortunately, instead of Georgia, we had to do Gokarna and Goa and other
But the
countries.
same. It's G.
It's the same as G.
Yeah.
So what we did Palolem in Goa, then we did Gokarna, Udupi, then we came down to Kurg,
Yeah.
then we did Wayanad, then we did Ooty, and now Ooty we did Mysore.
Mysore. Yeah.
Yeah, and now Chittorgarh.
Chittorgarh. Yeah. So right now we are sitting here in a very good fort. You can see lots of bird I have seen here. Everywhere you can see pigeon, peacock, cuckoo bird. Every bird I can see. This is a beautiful place. So hi everyone, you can see this is proper old house of this Chittorgarh. This is, see, you can see everywhere. It's very old. It's like ancient time period. Houses are there. So hi everyone, this is work station of mine. So you can see now is my workplace for today. Pillow to rest. This is so hello everyone. Now we are so hi everyone. Now what I can show you is nothing left, but there is a special Puram Puri people are having, and they are enjoying a lot. What do you say about Mecca? Mecca is so busy in having. They had everything, so I don't have anything to show you, but it was a delicious food. बोले मुझसे ना ही बात करे तो ठीक है. दारू पे चर्चा. So you can see cruise is set on 100 approx, and this road is full of forest road. You will get to see different animals here, and we are heading towards Karwar now. Yeah, Karwar. We are going to Karwar, and then after we are going to Paluliyam beach. From you. So Mecca, where we are going now? So what are you doing?
Knitting. That is the biggest question. There are.
So what you are going to tell your dad now?
That we are going to go.
Well, again? Now to you are going to go Belgaum.
But for Raj बोल दिया नहीं
हैं.
नहीं मुझे जाना है,
इस बार मैं
तुम्हारे
अपनी
ससुराल जाना है,
सारी
मुझे
साइलेंस हदें पार कर दूंगा.
साइलेंस हदे. दिन का एक
Everyone,
टैंक
you can see this. Now we are at Yana 60. Oh, Yana Gokarna. Everything is see from here, Meko. I think we are on the same way.
बैक अपन उसी रास्ते से जाएंगे.
You want to go to Yana again? Yana, the wonder beautiful caves. And I heard your experience was very good at Vibhuti waterfall. If people are not driving, like my chacha who bought one CNG car, I don't remember what's the name, but he has daily travel of 100 kilometers. So he thought, why to waste? Even his bullet is giving approx 25 average. So why not to travel by car? Because CNG will give average of 25 kilometers. So hi everyone. Now we have planned to go to Goa, and this is most probably the last entry of Karnataka, or we are going to enter in going to leave Karnataka and will enter in Goa in some time, maybe after 15-20 minutes. Actually, so now we are reaching at Karwar. That is my sasural, one of the other sasural. One is Goa and other is Karwar. So hi, finally we reached to the Karwar place. Now we'll be crossing, we'll be entering to Goa in 5-10 minutes, I think so. So still we have 34 kilometers to drive, and let's see. So hi everyone, this is the last tunnel of Karwar, and now we are going to get the dancing bridge, you can call it. It's very nice bridge, and there is 3 tunnels or 2 tunnels, we don't remember, but I can say one more tunnel is that side. Enjoy this bridge. So oh. This is the favorite bridge of Soap. You can see it's called jumping bridge, and you can see beach that side. Oh, Yeah, jumping. Mecca. Your child will be enjoying it.
बच्चे भी हिल ही रहे हैं वैसे टुपू
Oh, so nice bridge, huh? So nice thing they have done.
I'm pretty sure it wasn't purposeful like a break function.
So hi everyone.
बीच में पानी है.
As you can see, now we are doing beach side driving. You can see beach is everywhere. So hi everyone, it's very difficult to take video while driving, but I'll show you. This is where I am driving right now, and you can see the beach view. It's Kali River, but it's not at all Kali. It's Gori River. Racism on its peak, you can say. My phone please. So hi everyone, this is Karnataka last check-in border. You can see they are checking all the vehicles which are coming from Goa. Now I think we'll be entering in Goa. In some time maybe this Goa check-in will come. So hi everyone, so you can finally see now we are entering into Goa, and this is Goa check post. Yeah, you can see Goa police, traffic police. Now we are in. So hi everyone, finally we have entered South Goa. This is backwaters where we are driving now. You can see here, and this is the way. This looks pretty though. So it's a nice view. Now we are heading towards our hotel, and see, you can see where I am right now driving. This is the place. This is beautiful scenic view, empty road, and when we have entered to Goa, no one checked us even, and as we are not carrying even anything, so it's fine. Oh, Sophie is faster. Mecca is slower. Because Mecca is two people. Ah, then you should be more faster.